You have everything. You have the Shopify integration. I mean, it's just everything is in there. They just keep adding features, and it's just great working with all of it. Hi, my name is Diego Treviño. I'm based in Mexico, and I'm from Eternity Diamond Business. Currently, I have the GemBox Lite, and it's a game changer for our business. We are looking forward for all the new features that it will bring for us. The new camera looks amazing, and it will speed up our editing and our picture process for sure. We're also looking for the modeling feature, the AI retouching. All of the features are amazing, and we just keep getting more of them. I do recommend this product for sure, and I just keep waiting for more. Before the GemBox came to our business, we tried to find the best light box, and we purchased like 5 different styles and sizes, and none of them worked fine. The GemBox has these like mirrors inside that just balances the colors and the light perfectly for the jewelry, because the diamonds sparkle so much different in this box that it's like the best out there. And what we used before the GemBox is we had like a Canon professional camera, and we took photo with that. And then we had to go with the Photoshop software, edit it there, and then so we had to switch back and forth between softwares. And with the GemBox Hub, you got everything in there, and it's just in one place. You have everything. You have the Shopify integration. I mean, it's just everything is in there. They just keep adding features, and it's just great working with all of it. Usually, like before the GemBox, we did around like 20 products a day. And with the GemBox, we like tripled those numbers. Before the GemBox, we had to switch every piece around, take pictures, and roughly we had like around like 20 pictures a day, like product pictures a day. And with the GemBox, we tripled that number. And we can even do more if we have the best features and all of the editing tools. So that's great for us, and having all of the integrations with the Shopify, and it just helps us work in just one platform and not jumping around in other platforms.